Hi everyone, it's Keith Couch with Rush Truck Center, Greeley, Colorado. Rocky Mountain Peterbilt. There's the channel here on YouTube. Got a good looking dump truck here today. 2021 Peterbilt 567. Obviously a day cab in North Sea Gray. It's non-metallic, good looking color. Got a 16-foot COLT dump body on it. Just love this color. It's plain, it's simple, it's really easy to touch up. It's not a color you see very often anymore, although we are getting some requests for it. 11R 24/5 wheels and tires. Get the Peterbilt ovals. Alcoa level 3 polished. Batteries, battery box here on the step. Being in Colorado, we always do 4 batteries. Nothing fancy on the def tank. The master disconnect there, so you can completely isolate your batteries. COLT body, 16-footer. Absolutely gorgeous. They do a really, really good job. COLT manufacturing is out of Sterling, Colorado. And IWS, I think, is their corporate name, IWS Manufacturing. They do a lot of different things, and they do a great job. Just a good, solid, tough body. Just gorgeous. They do a nice Pintle hitch, and they do a very good job every time. They've got some fantastic welders out there. Great job. Tough, tough bodies. LED lights. It's got the spreader chains. We always get them with the tarp. That's a high lift tailgate there. We've got 2 of these trucks in stock. Do a little more aggressive tire there with the Bridgestone M799s. This is truck number 1. It has sold. Truck number 2 is right there. Just arrived today. So I thought I'd show you the clean one. They're identical trucks, consecutive VIN numbers. Peterbilt air track suspension. I believe this one is 355 gears, I believe. It's a Cummins X15, 500 horse. Take a look. 18 speed. Got the toe pin right up front. Sorry, should have had that unhooked before I did this. Oh, bugger. Yeah, she hooked. Oh. There we go. Got a 500 Cummins efficiency model. I believe we did a 14.6 steer axle and 40,000 rears. So it's a good, not a light duty dump truck, but it's not super heavy either. It's not double framed. The Davco fuel filter, and it's heated. To keep the cost down, we went with the Cummins 500 efficiency. Got some jump posts there as well, so you don't have to go into the battery box. So nothing super fancy about this one, but it's just a good, solid dump truck. Did the color matched mirrors instead of the chrome, which I like better. The mag chloride just kind of pits everything up. Inside's just pretty plain Jane, nothing fancy. Got dual antennas on the top. So I just thought I'd go over it with you. It's an 18 speed, good looking truck. We got a pair of these. One is sold, so we're down to 1 left. But we can reproduce these things, and I'm sure COLT will be happy to put the dump bodies on them. If you're interested in like an asphalt spreading application, asphalt dump, we can change things around kind of in that rear axle. This is going to be mainly dirt, but we can change that around. Keep everything out of the way of that the asphalt paver. So give us a call, 970-691-3877. It's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt's Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. Or you can email me, couchk@rushenterprises.com. Thank you for watching.